Okay. When that mouse is eaten by that snake, right? That snake is finally eaten by what you call. Wait, one second. Let me go for a better picture because I don't want that type of picture. All right. So here's another picture. I think this one is better. Right here. So, are you guys seeing the picture?
Where is it, sir?
All right, hold on. Right, there you go. All right, can you see this one? So, yes, can you see this one now? Looks like a triangle.
Triangles. On which one, sir? The top PDF or the bottom PDF?
No, it should be in. All right, let me close back everything and then let's start again because I think you guys are lost. Let me close back everything. All right, so follow me. We're going back into the class, right? Then we're going to go to the second bolded point, which is explain the principles of a food chain. Right? We're going to click on it. Then now we're defining now food chain. We've already defined it. George defined it. Then we're defining now the steps in a food chain, which is called a traffic level. Right? Then now we just define a traffic level as. Oh, someone's going there. Just define traffic level as, for example, the plant is a primary, then the grasshopper eats that plant, so that's the primary consumer, right? And then a mouse eats a grasshopper as a secondary consumer, right? Then now a bigger animal such as like a toad will eat that mouse, for example. That'll be a tertiary consumer, and then quaternary consumers now would be the final step, which would be like an eagle or a snake eating those smaller animals. Understand? So you have primary, secondary, tertiary, and then quaternary. So let's take a note of the 4 levels for me.
Sir, I don't see it. It closed up.
Yes, sir, the picture went.
All right, let me screen share. Let me screen share. Let me screen share, not a problem. All right, can you see it now?
Sir.
Right. You should be able to see my screen. Just look at my screen for me. So a traffic level is just the steps in a food chain, right? So let's say, for example, the first step would obviously be the autotrophs, would be the producers, the plants. But then we're saying that plants get consumed by a secondary consumer, such as a grasshopper or insects, right? And then a tertiary consumer, such as a bird or a mouse, comes and eat those insects, right? And then a quaternary consumer would be like a eagle that would come and eat the snake or so forth. So there's 5 essential steps in the food chain. You have producers, right? Primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers, and then quaternary consumers. Understand?
Yes, sir.
I have a question, sir.
Yes, what's the question?
There is something happened. Sir, something happened to the PDF, sir.
Which PDF?
Sir, the PDF is on the virtual notebook, sir.
Or the one at the lower level that says food chain and webs? Okay, so we haven't touched the PDF as yet.